to Fix CamScanner App Not Opening, 2025 Updated Guide. Voiceover text. Hey everyone. Welcome back to How to Mastery, your go-to channel for simple and updated tech tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the CamScanner App Not Opening problem, step by step, using the latest 2025 methods. Let's get started. First, if your CamScanner app won't open or keeps crashing, the issue is usually caused by cache errors, outdated versions, or storage problems. Step 1. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart clears temporary glitches. Hold your power button, restart your phone, and try opening the app again. Step 2. Clear cache and storage. Go to Settings, Apps, CamScanner, Storage. Tap Clear Cache first. If that doesn't help, tap Clear Storage or Clear Data. Don't worry, your documents will be backed up if you're signed in. Step 3. Update the app. Open Google Play Store or App Store, search for CamScanner, and tap Update if available. New updates often fix bugs that stop the app from opening. Step 4. Check internet connection. CamScanner needs a stable connection for syncing. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen the app. Step 5. Free up storage space. If your phone storage is full, apps can crash. Delete unnecessary files or videos and try launching CamScanner again. Step 6. Reinstall the app. If none of the above works, uninstall the CamScanner app completely, then reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store. After reinstalling, log back into your account. Your cloud documents will reappear. Bonus tip. If you're using a modified or older version of the app, switch to the official CamScanner app from the Play Store to avoid security or compatibility issues. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix CamScanner Not Opening using simple and safe methods. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more helpful tech tutorials, only on How to Mastery.